I just turned him into NSYNC. Sing to me. Hit me, baby, one more time.
It's Britney Spears, you know.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Tanisha J and I hope you take pleasure in watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video. Today we are recapping everything that was everything leading us into 2022. The chaos, the fun, the post-holiday Christmas music, yeah. So let's get right into it, beginning with the DIY dress that I made for Masquerade Ball that I decided to wing 10 hours before the event. Fun. Morning! Okay, my toes. So by the looks of things, you can tell I am making a masquerade ball dress. Inspiration. This is the inspiration. This is from Love and Lemons. Yeah, I really want to duplicate this today for this ball. So let me tell you guys what we're working with. We have some velvet fabric, which I already cut out. I'll explain it in a minute. We're getting this done. We had to leave to head to South Carolina in about, actually, I forgot to tell you guys, it is Friday, the date of the event now. And I'm just now working on this dress. So we have to leave. It's currently 8:44 a.m. and we need to leave in about 3 or 4 hours. I've cut out the material, the bustier part, so this fabric is inside out. I've already added the fusible to kind of make the fabric more stiff. So this is going to be the front right here. I'm going to sew both of those down, and I was thinking to add this piece in there to sew it down, but I kind of don't want to mess it up, so I'm just going to add it later on the outside and no one's going to see it, but yeah. And then after that, I'm going to sew this down and add this, and then sew that it's going to be sewn down here, and then come on this side and sew it down there to create that piece. And then from there we'll add the tulle material, layer it. Wish me luck. I'm not going to show you guys the sewing just because that's really boring, but I will keep you updated on each step. And yeah, let's go to a masquerade ball. Okay, so this is where we are now. Where are we actually? So I made the bustier area. Well, this is like the sweetheart neckline, I guess you call it, and I made that. I sewed on the back piece of it, and then I added this border around it, which that's what it looks like from the back, but what you will see from the front is like this. I added this little piece here. I don't know what this is called, but I'll insert whatever that's called. I added that there for the boot because I know it's gonna pull, and I figure it'll pull right in this area from what I concluded from trying it on. And now we are at, yeah, so this 3 to 4 hour project turned into about 10 hours. We didn't make it to the event until almost 11 p.m. but here's how the dress turned out. Following that, we set up the Christmas tree, went to a basketball game, and took Anelia to her first Christmas light show. Today's plan is to put up our Christmas tree. I'm gonna get ready, me and Ani, probably straighten my hair out, put some curls, don't really know yet. And then my sister called me, and this is my sister that is in middle school right now, and she called me yesterday and she's like, hey, you want to go to a basketball game? And you know, I tried to like play it cool and be like, oh no, she might, like, yeah, I'll come. I guess I can move my agenda aside for you. I didn't have nothing to do. I'm so excited. If you know my relationship with my youngest sister, then you know that like we were so close when she was young, and I started living my life and stuff. She's getting older, she's starting to do her own thing too, but I live for these moments where she needs me, you know. So like, maybe she just wants to ride. Maybe she don't even need to ride. She just want me to come. I don't even care, girl. Use me. Use me. It makes me happy. It makes me happy that she still like thinks I'm cool. I think more than anything, it makes me happy that she thinks I'm cool. If I got invited to the basketball game, I must be cool, okay? We're back. Finished meetings. Ani woke up. I blow dried my hair. I kind of straightened it a little bit. Just kind of read through it. This is what we're working with. Tree is up, but this is it. Step one's done. So I had to get ready because it's time to go to the basketball game. So I got me and Ani ready. I had time to stop at Starbucks, and I'm still doing good time. I'm like 5 minutes away from my mom's house to pick up my sister and my mom.
You had a chip already.
Are those yummy, Ani? Ani, they yummy?
Don't put it back in the pocket.
Okay, get that in my face when I'm eating.
She's gonna be on the step, team. Your mommy used to step, honey. Do it. Oh, your shoe came off. You done stepped out of your shoe.
Okay, I'm watching Aaliyah and Menelik right now. They are so funny. I just know this vlog is gonna be so freaking funny because I've just been cracking up already. So, got back from the game, got settled in, and now I'm back to setting up for Christmas. So look at all this shimmer like everywhere. You guys see all that shimmer? I can't really see it, but I swear it's everywhere. I'm gonna vacuum later. But I've officially fluffed out the tree, and look at Ilya, y'all. Why is she so funny? Okay, anyways, yes. So I'm about to start putting up the star, decorating, and that's really it. Ani is really driving right now. Whoa, it got dark. What's the next song? Oh. All aboard, Annie! All aboard!
Tickets, please, tickets.
Say bye-bye. Bye. I'm back again. So we are here at family's house. We're just hanging out around the house. We brought our gifts to this house, and we're probably gonna open gifts tonight around like 9, even though it's not Christmas yet. We're gonna open gifts early because we have to head back home early in the morning. I'm totally to get my favorite socks now. I'm upset. It's cold down here.
Blame on you. Sometimes the pizza. There's no worries. So yes. Hey Google, play "Someone Like You" by Adele.
Never mind, I'll buy.
Someone Like You by Adele. Sure. It's playing on YouTube Music.
Why'd you bring the bubbles down here?
I was play with that.
Girl, you have to hold two.
Look at these cool bubbles. Okay, this has to stop talking. Hey, go, be quiet. Okay, so like stackable bubbles. And you, yeah. And you literally, I don't know, I can't explain it. It's like glue or something.
Yeah, it's like glue
or like
plus the bubble
foam
soap.
or something. Or yeah, and bubble soap. And then they like call it stackables because you can like, you know, they don't pop either. They just float in the air.
Yeah.
And even when they fall on the ground, they like, if they burst open, they'll just deflate. But they never like pop and go away. It turns into like this little white stuff. But they're so cool. She's kicking my butt.
Nowhere to go.
Oh my gosh. Oh, don't act like you're an amateur. I didn't know where to go after you're literally kicking my butt. What? Oh, I thought that was it.
We both have one left. What you gonna do?
I don't know. I don't have a, oh, duh. I don't have any plans.
I don't have any plans. Good girl.
What else is in there?
You gotta reach in there.
Put your hand in there. Go explore.
Does anybody know where
What do you feel?
You gotta take it out.
Oh! Spoon and a fork.
Look at you making it in life.
Right? Cause she knows it's right.
Yeah, she not watched so many times she don't notice that it's different.
Here, turn it around. That way you
She said, let me. That was a statement.
She has a system, you know.
That was a
She's
statement.
She has a system going. Literally.
Good to the camera.
She's still. She's like, you have another one.
she just wants her shoes.
You about to run off with those.
It
From
says,
the airport.
family love is a blessing. Fix your eyes in it. I need here. This is the last one for you. Wow! Do you love it?
I'm gonna laugh if she throws it.
Do you love it?
That's why I just walked away.
What is that? Boo!
Do you love it?
She gonna eat it.
Dude, that she gonna eat.
She said, Merry Christmas! That we just got home. I'm like still in pajamas. I literally just woke up, brushed my teeth, and we got on the road to come back home. I'm about to make us breakfast really quick, and then what I need to do, we're gonna open our gifts that we have here, and then after that I'm gonna start getting ready for the day and start cooking because we're hosting like a little get together with some family and friends here at the house. Dressed now. You want to show what you're wearing? She has on a Christmas onesie with a reindeer headband. So cute. Today is December 31st. Tomorrow is New Year's. A couple of hours is New Year's. We just checked in at our hotel and we are bringing in the New Year's with some family and friends. And very intimate, but it's gonna be fun. The party is themed. So the theme of the party is the Y2K, which is super cool because we're going back in time for a new year. So cool. So for my Y2K look, I'm doing this butterfly top. I have these butterfly hair pieces. I'm gonna put on my trim stamp tattoo because everybody had this in the early 2000s. I have 2 waistbands, little chain things, 2 waist chains, these cute sunglasses, hair pieces, earrings. I got these, oh crap, violet jeans. They're low rise, and I'm wearing these sandals. These jeans came from Fashion Nova, and then everything else came from Amazon. And then for my husband's look, he's gonna be in sync. Ah, gonna be so cute.
I may be young, but I'm ready. To give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away.
All right, sir, let me tell you about this. This style gonna cost you, okay? We're talking 3K.
I'll do it every way, because I can tell the morning light.
Say now. Oh my god. Put some hairspray on there too. You're gonna look so good.
What did you take now?
I'm giving you blonde streaks. Oh my gosh, you look so good. Give me my money.
Come on, let me pay you. Let me pay you.
I just turned him into NSYNC. Yes, mushy me. Give me, sing to me, sing to me. Hit me, baby, one more time.
It's Britney Spears, you know.
All right, and that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.